Wow, Grandma! You have such a big garden! There are so many trees and such colorful flowers.
Thank you, Priya. And there are many beautiful birds too.
Yes, Grandma! Right now, I can see a small brown bird sitting on that tree. It has a small tail too.
That is a sparrow, Priya. Now tell me, do you like to play alone or with your friends?
Always with my friends, Grandma. I love them.
Likewise, a sparrow loves to play with other sparrows. They are social birds.
Grandma, look! There is a bigger sparrow and it's all black.
No, Priya, that is not a sparrow, but a crow.
Yes, crow! I have heard that story where a black crow is thirsty and wants to drink water out of an earthen pot. He puts stones in the pot so that he can reach the water. He was quite a clever crow, Grandma.
Very good, Priya. Crows are one of the world's most intelligent birds.
See, Grandma, there is another bird. It has shades of colors around its neck. See how its head is bobbing.
Priya, that is a pigeon.
Okay, now I know what a pigeon looks like. But there I see a green bird. I saw the same bird in my friend's house. The bird could even speak words.
Priya, that is a parrot. A parrot can learn and speak words.
Grandma, peacock! Such a beautiful bird. Oh, look at the lovely colors.
You are right, Priya. They look very beautiful and graceful. Peacock is India's national bird.
Oh, really, Grandma? Now, what is that bird, Grandma?
That is a duck. It lives near water and can float and swim in water. Let's go home now, Priya. It's getting late.
Okay, Grandma. See, Grandma? There is a bird sitting there all alone at night.
That is an owl. Do you see any other bird at this time, Priya?
No, Grandma. Why is it so that only an owl is awake at this time?
An owl comes out only at night, Priya. They sleep during the day and remain awake and active at night.
Wow!
I can see that you are very curious about birds. I will take you to the lake tomorrow.
There's a lake nearby.
Yes, and there you will see many more birds.
Thank you, Grandma. See, Grandma? Those big white ducks look so beautiful with their long necks.
Priya, they are called swans. They can swim and fly.
Grandma, what are those large walking birds called? They have such long legs and such long necks.
They are called cranes. Cranes are long-legged and long-necked birds.
What bird was that, Grandma? It swooped from the sky, picked up something, and flew off so fast.
That was an eagle, the large bird that eats other animals. It swoops from the sky, catches its prey, and flies back to the sky.
Wow! What is that bird? It is making a cuckoo sound.
That is a cuckoo. It is known for its cuckoo call. A cuckoo lays its eggs in other birds' nests.
And what is that?
That is a woodpecker. Woodpeckers peck on trees and poles. They can even make holes in trees by pecking them away.
Oh my God! Where is that bird sitting, Grandma?
That is a nest, Priya, the home of the birds. That's also where they lay their eggs. Birds build their nests with twigs, leaves, and grass. They build it at a safe place so that other animals cannot reach them easily.
Wow! Birds are so intelligent.
Now, dear, I have a surprise gift for you.
Wow, Grandma!
See, Priya, this is a model of the hummingbird. It is one of the smallest birds in the world.
It's so small and so cute. I love the gift, Grandma. Thank you.
You are welcome, dear. Now, while you play with the hummingbird, let me get some milk for you.
Sure, Grandma.